So here is a skeleton of a humpback whale. This is one of the most preserved ones. Its name is Snow, and the reason they know what the name is the male or the whales are all identified by their tails. Each one of their tails has different coloring marks on it, and that's how they can identify them. And this one was Snow. Lived 44 years before it got hit by a cruise ship. They found it on the beach, floated up there because they got hit by a cruise ship, and they tracked it back, and they were able to let it decompose, and then they reconstructed it here. So it was pretty cool. It used to weigh 35 tons, was 45.5 feet long, and 44 years old. It's just looks like a dinosaur. Just a massive animal here. So just very, very cool. You can see the the fins here, all the bones. Cool, man.